Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.
Hello guys, today I gonna show you how to you can clipping path a critical image. Here I open a coconut trees image. Its lips very critical and its lips cut out very hard. Now I will show you how to you can easily cut out these lips. So at first we have to select, click selection tool, then select this trees lips area. After selecting successfully, you have to click on Refine Edge. You can select any kinds of background from here. Here I select transparent. Which area is not cut out, now we remove it by brush. Just drag it. Can increase some radius from here. It will remove our background. Then select new layer with layer mask, then OK. We can see our image clipping path successfully. So please friends, subscribe my channel for get more Photoshop tutorials.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.